How to fix Epic Game Launcher not opening. So let me head over to one of the article which is going to guide you with the step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. So this is one of the article which is going to help you out. This article going to help you with the step-by-step process. So the very first thing you want to do is to check the Epic Game server status. Check the Epic Game server status page to make sure all systems are operational. If the Epic Game Launcher is affected by an outage or system-wide failure, your issue may be fixed when the outage is solved. Once it's done, the next thing you want to do is you have to check for the updates. Check to see if there is an update for the launcher. To do this, you have to click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the launcher and then select Settings. If you see a Restart and Update button, select it to update the launcher. The next thing you want to do is to verify system requirements. Make sure that your computer meets the system requirement to run the Epic Games Launcher. Once it has been done, now the next thing you want to do is you have to disable full screen optimization. In order to do that, shut down the Epic Game Launcher completely. Go into the directory where it is installed, right-click on the launcher, and then click on Properties. After that, you have to go to the Compatibility tab. Click to check the Disable Full Screen Optimization box. You can also click to check the Run this program as an administrator box. After that, click on Apply and then tap on OK. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Epic Game Launcher not opening. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.